Want to create a channel on WhatsApp? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the WhatsApp. Once that is done, log into your account. Now, tap on the updates option from the bottom of your screen. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will find a couple of options here. Tap on create channel. Now tap on continue. On a channel, anyone can discover you. People see your channel and not you. You're responsible for your channel. Now go ahead and tap on continue. Now write down your channel name over here. After that, if you want to describe your channel, include it over here. Then tap on the create channel option. Now, if you want to add a profile picture, you can do that from here. Go ahead and select your profile picture. After that, you can simply write an update over here and send it. In this way, you can easily create a channel on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.